Namaskar, welcome to this module on the Government e-Marketplace. In this video, we will guide you through the process of participating in a bid to reverse auction (RA) for products as a seller. We will provide a step-by-step overview of how to find and participate in a reverse auction, a crucial part of the GeM procurement process. To begin, please open your web browser and go to gem.gov.in. On the top right of the home page, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you will be on your dashboard. To find the bids you are invited to, navigate to the Bids menu in the top navigation bar and select List of bids. The bid listing page will show you all available bids. To find a specific bid that has been converted to a reverse auction, you need to use the filters. On the left-hand side, under By Bid Type, click on the checkbox next to Bid to RA. This will filter the list to show only the relevant bids. You can now see the list of bid to RA events you are invited to. To participate, simply click the Participate button next to the bid you wish to engage with. Before you participate, it's essential to understand the reverse auction rules. The price decrement should be between 0.1% to 30% of the RA reference price. Post 30% discount, price decrement should be between 0.01% to 5% of the RA reference price for bid value. If any seller submits the price within the last 15 minutes of the RA end time, the RA will be auto-extended by 15 minutes. Unlimited auto-extensions are available. On the RA participation page, you will see key information. The reference price, at which the RA started, is visible here. The remaining time for the auction is clearly displayed, and this countdown will extend if a new bid is placed in the last 15 minutes. Most importantly, the current L1 price, which is the lowest bid submitted so far, is also visible. This helps you to place a competitive offer. Once you are ready to place your offer in the reverse auction, you will be on the screen. Here, you can see the RA rules and the current L1 price. To submit your bid, locate the field labeled Enter the Offer Price. Enter your new, lower price here. After entering your offer price, you can click the Submit button to place your bid. Remember to check your price carefully before submitting. To keep track of your previous offers, you can view the RA price submission history. Click on the Show History link next to My Current Offer. This will open a pop-up window showing your RA history. Here, you can see a record of your offers, including the unit price, the date, and the time of your submission. This feature is useful for managing your strategy throughout the auction. To conclude this module on reverse auction participation, let's recap the key points. Sellers will only be able to participate in RA if they are qualified for it. Seller should select Bid to RA, filter to view the bid, RA. If any seller submits the price within the last 15 minutes of the RA end time, the RA will be auto-extended by 15 minutes. Unlimited auto-extensions are available. The system will attempt to refresh the current L1 price after every 30 seconds subject to availability of connectivity. You may also refresh the current L1 price as per your requirement using the refresh button. Thank you.